From the Supreme Court of the Philippines, here's the latest. A total of 628 examinees took the 2025 Shari'ah Special Bar Examinations, or SSBE, on May 25 and May 28. For the first time in history, the exams were held in 4 local testing centers: the University of the Philippines, Diliman, Mindanao State University Iligan Institute of Technology, Ateneo de Davao University, and Ateneo de Zamboanga University. 2025 SSBE Chairperson Associate Justice Antonio Tico Jr. led the first fully digitalized SSBE, which included a software to translate English questions to Arabic and Arabic answers to English. The SC has ruled that a freeze order issued by the Court of Appeals for suspected money laundering activities may cover related accounts, subject to certain guidelines to protect the rights of account owners. In a decision written by Associate Justice Japar B. de Maampao, the Court en banc upheld Section 10 of the Anti-Money Laundering Act, or AMLA, which allows the CA to freeze related and materially linked accounts if they are included in the application and the amount of the funds or value of the property is identified in the freeze order. The ruling is in connection with the corruption and plunder charges filed against former Vice President Jejo Marbinay and other government officials over the alleged overpricing of the new Makati City Parking 2 building. To protect innocent account holders, the SC also laid down clear guidelines on how related accounts may be included in a freeze order. These procedures aim to avoid freezing accounts that have no connection to money laundering or other criminal activity. The SC has ruled that while drug use by government employees is an administrative offense, they must first be given the opportunity to undergo rehabilitation. Dismissal is only justified if they refuse to cooperate with or fail to complete the required rehabilitation program. The Court en banc, through Senior Associate Justice Marvic MVF Leonen, modified the Court of Appeals ruling that upheld the dismissal of a Muntinlupa City government employee after he tested positive twice for Cebu. RA number 9165, or the Comprehensive Dangerous Drugs Act of 2002, requires the state to provide drug users with access to rehabilitation programs to help them recover and reintegrate into society. In another ruling, the Supreme Court reiterated that using common family terms such as niece or uncle in a criminal charge is enough to inform the accused of the nature of the relationship to the victim, especially when the relationship qualifies the crime and increases the penalty. The Supreme Court en banc, through Associate Justice Henry John Paul B. Inting, affirmed the conviction of an accused who was found guilty of qualified rape of a minor, even if the information or criminal charge sheet did not state the exact degree of their relationship. The SC clarified that using common terms that clearly define the relationship is sufficient to inform the accused and uphold the fairness and due process. On Friday, the Supreme Court launched the SC Cares Judicial Burnout Scale for Filipino judges at the SC en banc Session Hall, reaffirming its commitment to promoting mental wellness among members of the judiciary. The initiative is led by Associate Justice Mario V. Lopez and the Technical Working Group under the SC Governing Council for Mental Health. The University of Cebu School of Law on Sunday conferred a Doctor of Laws Honoris Causa degree to Chief Justice Alexander G. Gesmundo, who served as commencement speaker during the school's commencement exercises in Cebu City. Chief Justice Gesmundo has previously received honorary doctorate degrees from the Central Escolar University, Manuel L. Quezon University School of Law, Philippine Christian University, and the Lyceum of the Philippines University. On Thursday, Chief Justice Gesmundo delivered the keynote address on the first day of the 15th Competition Law Seminar for Asia-Pacific Judges held in Makati City. Organized by the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development Korea Policy Center in cooperation with the Supreme Court and the Philippine Judicial Academy, the 2-day workshop brought together Asia-Pacific judges to share legislations and experiences in handling competition law cases. Meanwhile, Senior Associate Justice Leonen on Tuesday served as guest speaker at the commencement exercises of the Notre of Marbel University College of Law in Coronadal, South Cotabato. The next day, May 28, SAJ Leonen gave a lecture at the same university titled On the Politics of Regulating Intimacy. On Thursday, SC Associate Justice Josep Y. Lopez served as speaker on the second day of the third Investigating Commissioners Summit of the Integrated Bar of the Philippines Commission Bar Discipline held in Manila. The summit's theme focused on the Code of Professional Responsibility and Accountability. You are now up to date with the Philippine Supreme Court. I am Tiffany Dobletran, Supreme Court Information Officer.